I love using Padlet for my virtual workshops. Padlet is an online bulletin board where we can all share images of our creative process. So I'm going to give you a quick little demo of exactly how to use it so that you can upload pictures for your workshop. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is access the Padlet link. So here you can see I've opened up my email on my phone and I have an email that says Padlet link. Now you will have your workshop email and the Padlet link will be part of that email. So I'm going to click on Padlet. I'm going to get these options to open up one of my browsers. I really like using Safari. So here is Padlet in Safari. Now you've got a couple of options. The first is that you can create a Padlet account. And if you do that, then all of your posts will have your name on them. So you can see my post here. So to create an account, you're going to go to those three dots and then you're just going to click log in. You've got some options there and you'll work through the login system. So that's the first thing. Now, if you decide not to create an account, or if you've already created an account and you're ready to post, the next thing you do is click this pink plus icon. So I click the pink plus and I'm given the option to type a title. So I am going to upload a fabric palette. So that is going to be my title, fabric palette. And the next thing I want to do is click this little camera icon. So click the camera icon, Padlet automatically opens up my camera and I am ready to take a picture. So I'm going to take a picture of this palette that's on my table here, snap that picture, and then I've got an option to use the photo or retake. Now, it looks like it's not centered very well here, so I'm going to retake it. I'm also really going to pay attention to make sure that it's oriented in the right way on this screen. If it's sideways or upside down, I recommend that you retake it. So let's get the whole Padlet, the whole palette there. There we go. That's better. So I'm going to use that photo. It's uploading and being added to the Padlet, and here we go. There's the title, fabric palette, there's the image, and I'm going to click save. So you can see that my post has been added to this individual workshop Padlet. Now you can see it says anonymous because I didn't actually log in. So if you also have not logged in, you may want to add your name as a comment just so that we know whose image that is. So there's Deborah. The next thing I want to point out is that you can click this little icon right here. This is your browser icon. And if you click that, the Padlet will automatically open up in your browser. That means that if you're doing something else later in the day and you want to go back to the Padlet, you can open up your browser. I'm using Safari, and here it is right in my browser, ready to add another post as the project develops. So that is how easy it is. I hope you'll give it a try. It's a super fun way to share images and be able to comment on images and see the development of the creative process.